Now, I know you guys have been waiting for this one, and this is our Halloween kit and sticker kit. So this is a special limited edition kit. This is not part of any subscription. So if you're not into Halloween, that's totally okay. This is not part of anything that you subscribe to. This is a special limited edition kit. This was a pre-order that we did. So if you were lucky enough to grab one at the pre-order price, that is awesome. It will be shipping out after we do our regular shipping of the month. So right around mid-September, these will be going out. After we are done shipping them, whatever we have left, and I know we do have some left, so make sure you're ready for that. You sign up for our emails, watch our social media, and we'll announce when they are up for sale. They will go up for sale, and when they're gone, they're gone. Now, I will give you a little bit of a tease. So if you remember our travel kit, we had a special box for that. I might be telling you we have a special box for this one as well, and it's super cool. So I might be telling you that, I might not be telling you that, but wink, wink, nod, nod. Anyway, so there was two options for the pre-order. You were either able to get the kit by itself or the bundle, which is the kit with the sticker kit. What we have left over will not be sold as a bundle. You will just purchase them separately. So I'm going to go through both. I'm going to show you the stickers first because they are adorable. So again, if in the pre-order, you either got just the kit or you got the kit and the stickers. So you get this sheet, which has all of the fun stuff. I love, love, love this artwork. This Halloween. Every Halloween is different. Obviously, it's, Halloween is Halloween, just like fall is fall, and we always have to try and come up with new ways to show you similar type of artwork. But this batch of artwork I am especially in love with this month because there is some cute stuff in here. Like that little spider, love him. The little ghost mushroom, that's cute. And then we have a sheet of vellum stickers with all of these great titles on it. Titles or headers or whatever you want to do with them. Another decorative sheet with our little owl, and I love the raven on there as well. And I love the bits of kind of the solid black. So if you had a page that you wanted to doodle on or you did bullet journaling or something, I think that those would be fun to use. And then a great set of black and white alphas. These are perfect, perfect, perfect with this collection. So that is the Halloween sticker kit. Now moving on to the actual collection. And there's some fun stuff in here. And this will also come in its own folder. So let's start with the washi tape, which has that adorable little spider on the web. I'll put it down. You can see it a little better on the black. Love that. We may have done spiderweb washi in the past. I don't know. I really like this one though. All right, and this, actually, I'm going to show you that in a minute because it's kind of hard to see. So we have a fun 31, and it's a large. It has a real subtle spiderweb pattern on it, but I feel like this is going to be so fun to decorate a page with, and it is adhesive backed. So those are stickers, so you get those. And as we always do in our special edition kits, we do a larger stamp set. So that's one of the things I love about these limited edition kits. I can make a big stamp set, and I love that. And this has got so many fun things in it. Great, great, great layering stuff. Make sure you check out my stamping video on our YouTube channel, and I show you some fun ways on how to layer all of this stuff and really have some fun with this. I love that. The Boo Crew, that's super, super cute. So there's a lot of fun ways you can layer those. You get the big stamp set. You get a set of the glitter dots. let me go through, I'll do those in a minute as well. You get a set of the dark charcoal gray alpha stickers. And then, let's see. We have a sheet of vellum stickers that is included in this kit. It says main planner stickers, that it just means the main Halloween kit, so don't let that kind of throw you off. But again, some more of that great artwork. Look at that little owl and the kitty cat, so cute. And those are vellum. And then you get a set of rub-ons, again with that great, okay, let me set this aside and I'm going to show you the cards now. So you get 2 4x6 cards. You get the cute little ghosts and this super fun Happy Halloween with the plaid. I love that. And then you get 3 note cards that are the 3x4. Cute little pumpkins and the more booze, please. Then, now this I wanted to show you because this ended up being a little bit more tedious than I wanted it to, and I apologize. So you just kind of have to, with the way that sometimes glitter die cuts work, is they have to do a kiss cut. They can't go all the way through. And it's a little bit of a thicker material. So what happens, I took a bunch of them out already. When you peel these off, you will need to, and I left this one here to show you, you will need to punch out the insides. So just like that, they come out, but you'll need to punch those out. So when you get them, it's gonna look like these blobs. They're not blobs, I promise. They're these cool spider webs that, see, they just pop out. So you can just pop those out and then you get the spider webs and the spiders in kind of that charcoal silver black. Isn't that pretty? So I thought that worked really well. You can do some fun stamping with that, or the 31 is really neat with that too. So you get those, but just so you know that that's what you need to do is just when you peel them up, just pop those out and they'll come out and then you get your spider webs. So you have a sheet of those stickers. And then actually I can show you on this. I just need a dark background to show you. You get this fun set of vellum words that spell boo. So there's a B. And I think these are going to be fun to play with. There's an O and an O, and then there's a little exclamation point. So you get those as well. And then you get another set of die cuts. We always try and switch up what comes in the kit each year. Again, you know, we gotta keep it different. Can't have all the same stuff. So you get the fun tag, the Boo Crew, the pumpkin. There's my cute little bat. And you can go through your stash. If you've gotten some of our previous Halloween kits, pull out some of those stamp sets as well. Or if you've gotten, we did not this year, but previous years we've done the clips with the little Simon embroidery clip topper with him dressed up in a Halloween outfit. You can pull one of those out to go with this. Eat, Drink, and Be Scary. My favorite holiday. Some nice tabs. And then Be Afraid, Be Very Afraid. That one's cute. That's a cute little tag. Just a lot of fun stuff in here to decorate anything. So this can be used, you could use this stuff in a planner. You could use this for memory keeping. You could use this for art journaling. You could use this for bullet journaling, paper crafting, memory planning. Across the board, this will work with everything. And that's the beauty of it. So there's a piece of vellum. This beautiful overlay. Isn't that cute? And then you get 6 sheets of pattern paper. So you get 3 double-sided designs. You get 2 of each sheet. I love this one. This one's my favorite with the ledger and the raven and the little bat. You get a fun Halloween plaid the, let's do it this way. Do it this way so that you see, so you see all of them kind of together. We'll do it that way. You get the fun little script there. There's another spider web, the cute little jack-o'-lanterns, and then the bats. So that is everything that is included in our special limited edition Halloween kit.